In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove custom background image from Brave browser. If you've customized the new tab page and now want to tidy things up or go back to a cleaner look, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove the image you previously added. Start by opening your Brave browser. When Brave launches, you should land on the new tab page, which is the screen where your background image appears. That's the place where all the customization options live. If your background is visible, you're in the right spot. Look to the top right corner of the new tab page for the small gear icon. This gear is the shortcut to Brave's appearance settings. Click it, and a customization panel will slide out. This panel controls elements like cards, shortcuts, and, importantly for us, the background image. In the customization panel, find and click Background Image. This opens the options that affect what you see behind your shortcuts and stats. You'll notice Brave's own selections, but what we want is the section dedicated to images you've personally uploaded. Click Use Your Own. This area shows the custom images you've added in the past. It can be one picture or several, depending on how many you've uploaded over time. Think of it as your local gallery inside Brave. To remove a custom image, hover your mouse over the thumbnail of the image you want to delete. As you hover, an X will appear on that thumbnail. Click the X to remove the image from Brave's custom backgrounds. That's it. There's no need to dig into deeper settings. If the image you removed was the one currently showing, Brave will immediately switch to a default background or whatever alternative you've selected. Don't worry, removing it here does not delete the original file from your computer. It only clears it from Brave's custom background list. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. If you don't see the gear icon, make sure you're on a new tab page, not a website tab. If Use Your Own looks empty, it simply means there are no uploaded images to remove. You can repeat the hover and X process for any other custom images you no longer need. Changes save automatically, so you can close the panel whenever you're done. And that's all you need to do to remove a custom background image in Brave. Open Brave, click the gear, go to Background Image, choose Use Your Own, then hover and click X on the image you want to remove. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner new tab page.